Let's do a Cajun seafood boil. Start by gathering all your ingredients. For this video, I'll show you the base we always use, plus a few of our seafood favorites. For the base of every seafood boil, we start with 3 pounds of andouille sausage, 4 to 5 pounds of fingerling potatoes, 8 to 10 ears of corn cut into halves or thirds, 7 whole lemons halved, 2 large white onions quartered, and 1 entire head of garlic cut in and peeled into cloves. And of course, our full-bore barbecue garden, barn, and river rub, along with our Bourbon Street Cajun seasoning. Get your water boiling and immediately add your potatoes, onions, garlic, and 5 of those lemon halves. Wait about 3 minutes for the water to start boiling again and add half the jar of garden, barn, and river rub, as well as half the jar of Bourbon Street Cajun seasoning. At the 10-minute mark, add the corn, followed by the sausage at the 15-minute mark. Now we have our base. For this video, I used frozen shrimp and crab legs, adding the shrimp at the 30-minute mark and the crab at the 40. At the 45-minute mark, we're done. Dump everything onto a table, squeezing the juice from the additional 2 lemons over all the meat. Season with the other half of our Bourbon Street Cajun seasoning and enjoy. Visit fullborebarbecueproducts.com for more information on mussels, clams, crawfish, both frozen and fresh, and a lot of dipping options. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Full Bore Barbecue.